Hey guys, it's July 2008. As you can see, my strawberries been growing lots of runners. So I decided to do some propagation, and this is my first attempt by cutting it from the main plant like this, and you can see some roots already. And I'm gonna just leave it in the water for it to root. So this video contains trial and errors, and you'll see what I mean by that later. And I prepared this new pot, totally new soil, for more strawberries. So I'm gonna propagate all of these runners. And about 2 weeks later, I moved the strawberry to the bag, and you can see the roots has developed into this stage. There's not really a lot of roots, and the roots looks brown. It's not healthy. But I decided to plant it into vermiculite anyways, because it's more porous. So this is what it looks like in vermiculite. And at the same time, I also prepared multiple small pots filled with vermiculite, and then I planted the nodes of the runners with the plants into the vermiculite without cutting the runners from the parent plants. So I did like about 4. This is the second one, and then here's another one. And there's a few runners growing to the left, so I just planted those directly. And it's been about a few more weeks later. As you can see, the ones I cut directly from the parent plants did not work out at all. But these ones that are still connected to the parent plants are working pretty well. You can see like these guys right here are actually growing pretty well. You can see the roots are healthy, it's white, and there's way more roots than the one I did with just putting in the water. Like this one, you can see how healthy it is. So it's better for the baby strawberry plants to first develop with the stem connected with the parent plants. So I decided to remove the plants from the parent plants by cutting the stem. So this is the whole thing right now. And I'm gonna transplant that into the big pot. So this is what it looks like when I take it out from the pot. You can see lots of roots developed. So it's healthy, and I think it's pretty established and would probably be able to withstand the transplantation. So I'm gonna do this to all of the other pots. As you can see right here, I cut the stem off from the parent plants, and now we have 3 individual pot of runners, and I'm gonna just plant them in these empty areas, including the main pot. So this is what it looks like after I planted them all. And I planted a few more in this main pot. And just in case, I covered the newly transplanted strawberry with a plastic film to maintain humidity. This would probably help them develop the roots further. So about a week later, or more than that, the leaves are pretty hard to the touch, even though it's pretty warm outside. So this is when I think the roots has developed properly, and it's time to remove the plastic film. And yeah, there it is. Look at them. They're looking very healthy. The leaves are not soft, so it means it's getting enough water from the root system. Even the runner produced by the new plants are healthy. You can see new leaves growing from these baby plants, so that's another good sign. There's another runner, which I'm going to plant it back to the pot. But yeah, now we have 2 pots of strawberries. They propagate really fast. Now we have even more runners over here, which I'm probably going to do the same thing too with the vermiculites, but I don't know where to plant them yet. So, oh, and the connection between these 2 pots, I think I can cut them off already. So yeah, now we have 2 pots of strawberries.